This video is sponsored by Brick Radar. If people want to start out sneaker reselling, they have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. This will save you a lot of time doing research yourself. We have created an algorithm which shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. We want to urge people to start their 7-day free trial at Brick Radar if they want to make more profit reselling sneakers. They can start the 7-day free trial by clicking the link in the description. Okay, now back to the video. If you're a sneakerhead, you're probably always on the lookout for the newest and most exciting footwear to hit the market. We've compiled a list of the best sneaker releases in March 2022 so you can keep up with the newest trends. Take a look at our list. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Air Jordan 12 Playoffs. For years, the pair, along with the original Taxi and Cherry, has been towards the top of the vintage fans' wish list. Its stylish black and white leather construction are highlighted by subtle silver streaks with Bulls branding at the Jumpman and heel. Much of the same may be expected for the Air Jordan 12 Playoffs throwbacks in spring 2022, perhaps with a special edition for the anniversary celebration. Mike wore the pair during the 1997 All-Star Game when he recorded the first ever ASG triple-double. It's a $200 sneaker. Number 9. Nike Dunk Low Wolf Gray. The cloudy tone has been the highlight in recent years, appearing on early releases such as the Dunk Low Gray Fog and Photon Dust. The color scheme of the latest offering is nearly identical to the women's Air Jordan 1 Low Wolf Gray, which also recalls the Dior partnership shoe and Paris version. The toe box, quarters, and ankle collar are outfitted in a soft light gray tumbled leather foundation with considerably darker gray overlays and bursts of white from the main lateral swoosh and laces. Dunk Low in gray and white will be available in the coming months on Nike's website for $100 US. Number 8. Jordan Why Not .5 Childhood. The half-booty sneaker is made up of a lilac mesh combination with vibrant orange and cyan highlights. The RW logo appears on the tongue and the medial side of the heel, while the Jumpman appears on the lateral side. The sneaker features a unique nylon lacing system with black and cyan overlay on high wear sections around the toe. The lilac midsole has a double-stacked Zoom Air unit in the forefoot, as well as a bright orange outsole with a black shank plate for stability in the midfoot. You should expect to pay around $150 for it. Number 7. Nike Dunk High University Red. This year, Nike will release a Dunk High in fan-favorite University Red. The colorway is similar to the Nike Dunk Low University Red, which debuted in May 2020. The silhouette is white on the bottom, with University Red on the toe box, overlays, and Nike checks same as its sibling. Red hues return on the eyelets, and the Nike logo appears on the tongue. The shoe is completed with a white and red rubber sole unit. Nike Dunk High University Red will be available for $110 on March 1st, 2022. Number 6. Women's Nike Air Max 90 SE Animal. The newly released Nike Dunk Low has a combination of colors, textures, and patterns throughout its whole upper. It has a spotted print at the vamp and medial forefoot, similar to previous Safari collaborations by Atmos. Aquatones mingle with deep crimson, purple, and yellow, while leopard and other animals' fur establish their territory at the lateral profile and spine. The sole unit underfoot of the legendary Air Max model doesn't aim for a muted look, but it does forego all the flamboyant style present in the upper, letting the mismatched, multicolored arrangement take center stage. Each pair will set you back $140. Number 5. Adidas Yeezy 350 Boost V2 MX Blue. The uppers, like the previous 350 V2 in MX Rock, are a mashup of colors swirling about, this time in blue, gray, white, and beige. This MX design is then connected with a woven post-dyed monofilament side stripe. While the render is not guaranteed to be exactly like the official release, it does give us a sense of the varied tones utilized, and Adidas takes the icy blue transparent outsole that houses the Boost midsole. It will be available on March 5th for $220 US. Number 4. Nike Air Max BW Sport Red. The toe rake was slightly sharpened for a slimmer look, and the top materials were corrected. The new Sport Red model mixes mesh, microfiber, and leather to frame the padding textile on the tongue and ankle collar. On the colorway front, these BWs use a mostly white base with black mudguard trim, virtually reversing the paneling of the OJ colorway. Sport Red appears in the tongue and ankle collar, as well as a huge rubberized swoosh. It will set you back $130 US. Number 3. Women's Air More Up-Tempo Summit White. The Summit White woman silhouette has an almost totally white top contrasted with black embellishments and branding. The material used in the construction is a combination of tumbled leather, smooth leather, and nylon. While Scottie Pippen created the Air More Up-Tempo, an iconic sneaker, the model also embraced popular pop culture. Brendan Fraser famously wore the pair in 1997's George of the Jungle. The pair will cost you $160. Number 2. Nike Air Max BW Persian Violet. The BW, or Big Window title, comes from the huge Air Max unit in the midsole, which was designed by the great Tinker Hatfield. The rest of the shoe is black, white, and Persian violet, with mesh as the basis for the top and leather and suede overlay sections for the midguard. The company has yet to reveal official release details for this year's reissue of the Persian Violet Air Max BW, but stay tuned to Soul Collector for developments. It'll cost roughly $130 US. Number 1. Adidas NMD V3 Black. One of the future colors of the Adidas NMD V3 will be dressed in the original NMD's black, red, and blue color scheme. Furthermore, the pair is created in part from Parley ocean plastic and has a cloth top. To complete the aesthetic, we have semi-translucent midsole plugs and a heel overlay, a white Boost midsole, and a rubber outsole. The price will be approximately $160. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you for watching.